We are in a sleepy little town in the middle of Germany. With over 300 employees here at the site and several branches worldwide, we have been building automation solutions for various industries for more than 3 decades. As a family-run company in its second generation, we are quite proud of what we have achieved so far. And of course, this is only possible with the help of our great employees who ensure that MackSmaTec is and remains successful day after day. We know that the path to talented employees begins at a young age. That's why we attach great importance to first-class training in our state-of-the-art training center. This is where the foundations for a successful future with us are laid. As a complete solution provider in mechanical engineering, we attach great importance to well-thought-out and innovative designs in order to fulfill our customers' wishes. With a high vertical range of manufacture and state-of-the-art production machines, we can produce almost everything on and in our machines in-house. From classic sheet metal processing to eroding. On 12,000 square meters of production space, a team of over 100 men and women assemble your custom-made MackSmaTec machines. Assembly systems, many meters long, are no problem for our fitters and programmers. If you want to see all this for yourself first, then just drop by. In our showroom, we will give you a little insight into the MackSmaTec machine world. And the very best at the end. In our canteen, we cook fresh and delicious food every day. This not only motivates our employees, but also our customers.